I have some great news, Dallas-Fort Worth. With the condition of today's housing market, foreclosing on your home means your lender has to add to an overflowing inventory of already hard-to-sell homes in DFW. That is about the last thing they want to do. Now, this doesn't mean that they'll hesitate to file a notice of default to protect their interests. So if your lender has filed a notice of default, or soon will, don't ignore it. This is not one of those things that simply goes away. It does, however, afford you some opportunities to get back on track and avoid foreclosure of your Dallas-Fort Worth home. Depending on your personal situation, here are some options. The most obvious, and if you're in this situation, probably the least realistic consideration, is to contact the lender and pay what's behind or in default. That said, a terrific option if you're able to make payments now but need to catch up from having fallen behind is forbearance. You make arrangements with your lender to pay an extra amount each month to be applied to the payments that are past due. You may be able to refinance if you have equity in your home, bringing your payments down with a fresh start. Also, ask about loan modification. This would change your terms, like your interest rate or length of the loan. Another alternative is to borrow money from a friend, family, or take out a small loan. Don't be afraid to ask for help. People close to you are willing. You just have to take the step and ask. Next, you could sell the house with equity by way of a traditional listing through a realtor. With some marginal equity, DIY in DFW. Do it yourself with new flat rate listings from www.pluginrealty.com. If you have no equity, negative equity, or are behind on payments, you can do a short sell. If you have a lot of equity, call a real estate investor and sell fast. If you're not behind on your payments or you have the cash for the default, then you can really turn things around by renting the house out, but hire a professional property management company. There are huge benefits to being a landlord if you do it right. Additionally, you may find a great opportunity with a real estate investor who can work with you through creative financing. If none of these other solutions are right for your situation, you and your lender may agree on a deed in lieu. This is just a snazzy way of saying you give the house to the lender voluntarily. You're absolved and the lender has benefits as well. Last but not least, there's bankruptcy. Now, don't jump to this one. It does not stop a foreclosure. It merely prolongs the process. It's last on the list for a reason. With something as overwhelming as the thought of losing your home hanging over your head, it's easy to assume there's nothing you can do. So why face it? Well, face it. The only step you have to take is the first one. From there, you're already moving in the right direction. So Dallas-Fort Worth, don't give up. Thanks for watching.